Good day everyone, and today we're going to be discussing how to calculate trigonometric equations, right? So firstly, if you see we have a right angle triangle that is 90 degrees, and let's say we have an angle theta. If we would like to try and calculate each of the sides, right? We can use sine of theta, sine of this angle, which is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. Cos of this angle, cos of theta, is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, right? So let's use these laws to try and calculate a given side, right? So let's say, for example, we are asked to calculate, x, right? The side of x over there. We can use sine theta, and sine theta, like we said, is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, right? So we can write in sine of 60, right, is going to be equal to x over 7, right? And then x, let's just draw a line over here, x is equal to 7 sine 60. And then we can type that out on our calculators, and let's just see what we get. 7 sine 60, and we get an answer. X is equal to 6.06, right? So that's how we solve x, right? Let's say, for example, if we would like to calculate this length over here, let's call that length x. I'm using cos theta. Same thing, we said that cos theta is equal to the adjacent side, right? Let's make the adjacent side 5. So it's adjacent over hypotenuse, right? Okay. So let's go about calculating that. So cos 30 is equal to 5 over x, right? That is the adjacent side. So let's draw a line over there. Okay. So x is equal to 5 cos 30. 5 divided by cos 30, and we have a distance for x as x is equal to 5.77. Okay. Let's calculate values using tan, and let's say if we would like to calculate this value x, right? Tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So let's rewrite that. So tan 20 is equal to 6 over x. So x is equal to 6 tan 20, and therefore x is going to be equal to 6 divided by tan 20. So x is equal to 16.48, right? So that is how we calculate each of the sides using sine, cos, and tan. Let's say, for example, if we would like to find out how to calculate theta, right? So we can use tan, and we said that tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, right? And that is equal to 6 over 7 tan theta, right? So we can use the inverse tan to calculate theta, right? And it looks like this: inverse tan of 6 over 7, right? 6 over 7. And it looks like this on your calculator. It's that button over there. So we can say the inverse tan of 6 divided by 7. And that's, so theta, this angle inside, is equal to 40,6. Okay, so that is how we go about calculating trigonometric equations. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day.